Hello learners, today we will discuss about graph of quadratic equation. Graph of quadratic equation. Graph of quadratic equation. A quadratic expression, quadratic equations. The quadratic equation is defined as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is quadratic equation is there, and its corresponding polynomial is represented by parabola. Its corresponding polynomial is represented by parabola of parabola. So corresponding polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So if a is greater than 0, the graph, this corresponding polynomial is graph upward parabola is there, upward parabola. And if a is less than 0, the graph will be downward parabola is there. The graph will be downward parabola. And A is called leading coefficient. A is called leading coefficient. A is called leading coefficient, and B is called the coefficient of x, and C is called constant term. And its graph will be depend upon leading coefficient. If A is positive, the graph will be upward parabola. If A is negative, the graph will be downward parabola. So this is quadratic equation is there, so it has two roots, and this is quadratic polynomial is there, it has two zeros. So let two zeros of quadratic of ax square plus bx plus c, so alpha and beta, so alpha equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So beta equal to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is zeros of quadratic polynomial, and this if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then both roots are different and unequal. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then both roots are equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then both roots are imaginary. Clear? So graph, both roots are imaginary in this case, and in this case the graph will be totally shifted upward above the x-axis. In this case, clear? So if D is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant, and this is also denoted by D. Okay. If A is greater than 0 and D is greater than 0, the graph will be upward parabola. And second point is there, if a is greater than 0 and d equal to 0, the graph will be like this. Both are roots equal. Third point is there. This is a is greater than 0 and b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It means d is less than 0. The graph will be above the x-axis. The graph will be above the x-axis. The graph will be above the. It means entire graph lie above the x-axis. Clear? So second point, if a is less than 0 and d is greater than 0, the graph will be downward parabola like this. If a is less than 0 and d is less than 0, the graph will be below the x-axis. If a is less than 0 and d is equal to 0, the graph will be like this. Clear? So it means student says that graph depend upon leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is positive, the graph will be upward parabola. Leading coefficient is negative, the graph will be downward parabola. Clear? And it's depend upon roots also. Depend upon roots. If roots are equal, real, or imaginary, like this. Clear? And next point, write down. And next point is write down. So suppose that one example is and this is vertex. This is suppose that. And this point is also called vertex. Minus b by 2a comma minus b by 4a. This is vertex of a parabola. This is vertex. Vertex is its lower point or highest point is called vertex of a parabola. It's depend upon leading coefficient, and vertex is called vertex minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a. This is called vertex of a parabola. Suppose one example, one more example is there, and suppose that this is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation is there. So, and first of all, we will take let polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Clear? And this is leading x. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 6. A is greater than 0. Graph will be upward parabola is there. Upward parabola. Step number one. First, identify leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is positive or negative. So, and this is leading coefficient is positive, their graph will be upward parabola. Upward parabola is there. Clear? Upward parabola is there. Clear? So, x is equal to 0. So, y equal to we will get 6. Y equal to we will get 6. So this point 0 comma 6 is there, and find step number 2. Find zeros of the polynomial. Zeros x square minus plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 minus 2 is zeros of the this quadratic polynomial. So step number Step number third. Step number third, vertex minus b by 2a minus d by 4a, minus b by 2a minus d by 4a. It means minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Vertex is there. So graph will be like this. So this is zeros minus 3 minus 2. The graph will be like this. Clear? This is 0 comma 6 and this is point zeros and this is point vertex minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4 is there. And this is the graph of polynomial is there. Clear? Understood? So, thank you learners.